How to fix add phone number missing in Roblox. Your first things first, the one that is currently showing on your screen right now is a brand new account. And based on my experience, I have fully verified all the necessary options or requirements so that you or we can be able to add email addresses and verify the age of our account. And then by there, we should be able to head directly and add a phone number. So be here if you head directly to the gear icon and heading into settings. So as you can see, there is no option for me to add my phone number. So the reason why this is happening is because I haven't verified this account's birth date or this account's date. Now, in here, necessary ID so that the phone number age. There are some instances that there are certain countries that does not support adding phone number on Roblox. So what you need to do is just to simply go to the help tab right here, then go to the phone number section, LinkedIn, and then right there just simply ask customer support that you will be adding phone number from your Roblox account. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix adding phone number missing in Roblox.